Some parts of Thailand are completely untouched. This is Khao Sok National Park. It's a 160 million year old virgin rainforest and it's spectacular. You feel more like an explorer than a tourist.
Kayaking is such a great way to explore. It's easy, anyone can do it, and best of all it's silent, so you can get really close to all the animals and birds without disturbing them.
We've just heard the most amazing sounds in the jungle. It's so peaceful here, you can hear every shrill and every boom. The noises that we're just hearing now are the calling of the gibbons. That's brilliant.
And now you can experience just what it's like to swing from tree to tree like a gibbon at the amazing Flight of the Gibbon attraction north of Chiang Mai. With a total of 39 different platforms, it's 4 hours of non-stop thrills on zip wires, bridges, swings and drops.
This is the longest zip wire in the world. Oh, that was fantastic. So much fun. It really gets your heart pumping, but it's brilliant.
And just when I thought we'd tried it all,
I'm about to launch on to the last zip wire of the day, and we have to go backwards.
Is it scary, Amanda?
I'm quite scared at the moment, but I know it's going to be brilliant. I'll love it. Am I ready to go?